time. Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history.
Fright Fest 2021. It's my first time as period going to the Fright Fest in Six Flags.
Oh gosh, I heard.
You're gonna hear screaming.
I can focus, I just need to focus on myself.
Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now, back to the video.
Well, imagine it wasn't one of the rides. Imagine it was the Fright Fest.
Move over. How's the street?
Imagine it was the Fright Fest. I did the big stream was. Wonder Woman's the same.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
What's it like so far? It's good? What kind of Halloween stuff do you see?
I see spider webs everywhere. And there's skulls over there.
Oh, there are skulls over there.
Scary people.
Huge statues of scary jack-o'-lanterns. That's so cute.
Sean, did you see the skulls over there?
Over there on the ledge, there's skulls.
They didn't bother going by. The station have headbands with little pumpkins on the top. All of the workers should have.
Oh, like on their hats? You think so? That'd be a good decoration?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change.
Flash past. Wait. It's just terrifying as soon as you go all the way up there and then it gets super fast. The only not terrifying part is when you go up the next.
Really?
That doesn't scare.
Alright, so let's get on.
No.
Change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better.
Scary Fest right now, right? That's what we call it? Fright Fest. It's past 6 o'clock. But there doesn't seem to be much that's scary, is there?
No.
The one thing that they really wanted to do, the train, cost $60. What is it? It would be $60 for all of us. This is $20 a person. It's not included in the regular ticket. That sucks.
And all the kid rides are closed because there's little kids around here that can only get on the kids rides and they can't get on the rides.
We didn't go past Looney Tunes. They might be open in Looney Tunes.
Oh, yes, please. Maybe the mini roller coaster will be open.
Yeah, maybe. Go check
Because it's
that.
not like a very small kid ride.
Yeah, maybe that'll be open. But
One of my favorites.
so far, nothing scary. So far, nothing scary, right?
Nope.
Nope.
Except for there's a lot of fog.
Yeah, there's like fog,
Everywhere.
mist. That's it.
For so long, I I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you.
Alright guys, that was the end of our day at Fright Fest. We had a ball just riding all the rides. It wasn't crowded at all and it was a beautiful day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, a glimpse into my mom life, hanging out with my kiddos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of me with my face on the screen. You can just click that cute little face. And if you want to check out some more videos, I'll have them linked on the screen as well. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next one. Bye.